What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another Tesla video for you guys, and in this one I want to talk about the turn signal. I know what you're thinking, hey, you just tap it one way or the other, this is going to be a stupid video. There's actually like a tip or a trick, depending on how you want to call it, that I'm going to give you guys in this video about signaling. So this video is actually inspired by me seeing another Tesla owner. So he was in the far left lane, he signaled right to move over, and then he ended up signaling left and then right before he finally managed to take it off. And the reason for that is, so let's say I'm signaling left, and you can see it right here, my left signal is on. Most people that take it off, you'll move the bar and you'll push it up. So when you push it up too far, you can see it's actually signaling right now. You have to just tap it down for it to come off. But my tip that the reason why I'm making this video is, let's say I'm signaling left, as you can see here. If I tap it down left, it also takes it off. So if I'm making a left turn and my signal's on left and I want to take it off, you're better off to tap it down left. That way you're not signaling right, left, and just a small little tap and it will come off. While we're here on this video, I want to talk about the full signal and then the three little light up signal. So to do a full signal, you just hold it down in one direction. You can see it'll continuously flash left here, and if I hold it up, it'll continuously flash right. So that's the full signal. You just have to push it down fully. If you just give it a little tap, you can actually see it only flickers 3 times, and then that's it. So just keep that in mind, that you have to actually push it down all the way. So let's see if we can get a better angle. So if you push it down all the way like that, or if you just tap it down, there's there's an extra click, so you can actually feel it. So this is the tap, the lower tap, and then you can actually feel there's more pressure now, and then it pushes down. So that's how you can distinguish between the full signal and then the partial 3 click. But like I said, hopefully this helps someone. I saw someone struggle on the road, and I thought, hey, let me show you. So signaling left, small tap and it comes off. Signaling right, small tap and it comes off. So that's pretty much all there is to it, to this helpful tip or trick, depending on how you want to call it. Guys, make sure you guys are subscribed for more Tesla content. I got more stuff coming all the time. Like the video, comment, and thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.